Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at adding microjoints to our actual shapes and parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here, so I'm just going to quickly nest a few shapes just so we can have an idea of what's happening, and then move this more to the middle. Now with microjoints, this is a great way if let's say you want to make a cutout of something, but you don't want all your shapes just to fall out to the bottom, but you want it still attached somehow to your actual sheet. So perhaps afterwards you can just break it off the extra remaining piece. Now there's many different reasons why you want to do this, but yeah, that is obviously up to the actual designer and cutter. Some workflows they prefer no microjoints because then the process is a bit quicker, where other, once again, they kind of need some of the shapes to stay in place, and then only afterwards remove them. So now to do microjoints, I'm just going to quickly maybe remove two parts here, zoom in, and then we'll preview on these ones. So now first thing we want to do is obviously go to our CAM once again, because in order to get these features working we need to be in our CAM, and then from our CAM settings on the top right here we're going to go and look at microjoint. Here's add microjoint, so we can simply click this, find a location where you want to add it to, and then when you click at the right place it's going to add you a little microjoint there. So I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see better. So now what's going to pretty much happen is this thing is going to cut, and when it comes here it's going to leave a little piece and carry on cutting. So it's going to skip the size of this microjoint. Now you might want to perhaps add another one on the other side as well, so you have like two sections that holds it, and then if we preview this you can see this one goes around, and then when it gets to these ones it makes a little skip there and it carries on. So that is the way the microjoints work. Now if you for some reason had to set wanted to set the size of them, we can do that as well. So what we're going to do is we go to configuration, then we want to go to this tab here called microjoints, bridges. Sorry, let me fix my zoom for you guys. Microjoints, bridges, and remnants. So I'm going to go there, and then from the top one here we can see we've got our microjoints dimensions. So once again, I'm not sure what's up with my zooming software at the moment. So at the moment it is 3mm. So you can change this to whatever. I'm just going to make it ridiculous. You obviously would not want to make it 2mm, at least, you know, you might, but not easily. Go back to the CAM here. Let's just see if we re-add these, what does it look like? As you can see there, we've got quite a large one and a little one on the other side. So you can have custom ones, which is nice, and then so you can set it up the way you need it. So we can add a few microjoints today. Just make sure you press escape when you're done, otherwise you're just going to carry on adding microjoints wherever you go. Yeah, otherwise that is it on microjoints. So just a quick recap again, you can use it to basically skip a little piece of the cutout, and then so that sheet or this block in this sheet is going to be still remaining in it until you've manually break it out. You can obviously make this quite small, like 1 mil or so forth, so it's easy to break out. It's going to have a bit of scarring, you can say, on your shape, but you can just round off afterwards where the joint was made, or the micro joint. And then also another recap, to set its width you can just go to configuration, go to the tab that says microjoints and bridges and remnants, and then adjust it there. I'm going to put mine back to 3, and you can obviously, as you saw, you can add different size ones. You can add big ones, small ones, and so forth. But yeah, otherwise that is it on adding microjoints. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. and you can also isolate your searching on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the minimum form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.